Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding how we will select an XML data using an XPath query. So XPath is basically a syntax for specifying a collection of elements or other information contained within an XML document. So XPath expression will be applied to parse the XML document, which constructs a tree-like representation of XML document similar to DOM tree, that is XML documents are treated as trees of nodes. The root of the XPath parse tree is document. In XPath there are 7 kinds of nodes like element, attribute, text, namespace, processing instruction. So special XML tag begins with the greater than symbol question mark and ends with the question mark greater than symbol. So comment and then the document nodes. So these are the location path which we will specify in the XSLT for traversing through the XML document. Here XSL colon template match is equal to slash, which represents the XPath document root, and XPath expression such as this represents one or more nodes within XPath parse tree is known as location path. So XPath uses path expressions to select nodes in an XML document. So here XML version 1.0 encoding UTF-8 and bookstore. Bookstore is an XML document inside which we have two. Bookstore is a root element inside which we have 2 books. So 2 information about the book. So the book XML element consists of the child elements called title and then the price. So the title has an attribute called lang which has a value called en, and then it also has a text called thirai, and then the price is also having a text called text called 299, and then the book is closed. And next we are going to see another book which is called learning XML. The price is 395 and the language is en. So this is the path expression. The node name, select all nodes with the name. Example, bookstore, select all nodes with the name bookstore, and then if we use slash, so select from the root node. Example, slash bookstore selects the root element bookstore. Bookstore slash book selects all book elements that are children of bookstore. Double slash book select all book elements no matter where they are in the document. So at is used for selecting the attribute, and example at language selects the language attribute. And this is the some path access names, like for self the context node itself, child and immediate descendant. Descendant means any proper descendant or self, any descendant including the context node itself. Parent means immediate ancestor, any proper ancestor including the document root unless the context node is a document node, and then ancestor or self, any ancestor including that context node itself. Preceding sibling, any sibling of the context node that precedes the context node in the document. Following sibling, and then the attribute. And this is an example. Here child book selects all book nodes that are children of the current node. Attribute lang selects the lang attribute of the current node, and child star selects all the element children of the current node, and attribute selects all attributes of the current node, and child text selects all the text node children of the current node, and child node selects all children of the current node, and descendant book selects all book descendants of the current node. So this is an example. So bookstore, book of 1, it selects the first book element, that is the child of the bookstore element. If it is slash bookstore slash book price greater than 300, it selects all the book elements of the bookstore element that have a price element with the value greater than 300. So bookstore book price of text selects all the price elements. So this is the absolute and relative location path. A location path can be absolute or relative, and an absolute location path starts with a slash, and a relative location path does not. In both cases, the location path consists of one or more steps, each separated by a slash, and absolute location path is this, and then the same as the relative location path is example. So this is selecting the several paths by using add operator in an XPath expression. You can select several paths. In the table below, we have selected some path expressions and the result of the expressions, like book title slash book price, it selects all the title and price elements of all the book elements, and title and price means it selects all the title and price elements in the document. Bookstore book title price selects all the title elements of the book element of the bookstore element and all the price elements in a document. Thank you.